Alright everyone, I want to give you a quick refresher on what is a tangent line. We've drawn our curve, trying to hit as many of our data points as possible, and now we don't have to think about the data points. Remember, when we do a model like a line of best fit or a curve of best fit, then all we do is focus on that representation, and we can ignore the data points. Well, this has a changing slope. I want to know how the slope changes, because the slope on a position versus time graph will tell me the velocity. So that means I want to find out what the slope is at this time, and I want to find out what the slope is at a later time, and I want to find out what the slope is at another later time. In order to find out the slope here, I need to think about, what if I zoom in to just a little area? And I'm just focusing on this little area. In this little area, the line is a little more straight. This curve is a little less curved if I zoom way in and I think just about this part of it. And so what I'm going to do when I draw a tangent line is make a line that is parallel to that tiny little spot on the curve, and then I can find the slope of that line. So all I need to do is extend it as if it was always that steep. Now notice I'm staying on the outside of the curve. I'm not crossing this blue line at all, but I line up with it right there. If I draw another one down here, I'm going to line up with it down here. So see, I'm drawing a line that's parallel to the blue curve right here. It's not parallel here, now they're pointing different ways, but it is parallel here, only at this spot. So it's locally parallel, is what we might say. And that's a tangent line. And now in order to find the velocity here, v at t, I'm going to find the slope of the tangent line. So I pick a spot here, figure out what that position is, pick a spot here, figure out what that position is. That delta x is going to be the rise, and then this delta t here is going to be the run. So the velocity at this moment in time right here, I'm going to find by doing delta x over delta t that I found off of this tangent line.